So we just checked the rooms now. There are two options, AC and non-AC. And what they are saying is for the non-AC rooms, everything will be same, just that they will switch off the AC. The prices are very reasonable. The non-AC ones are around 2,500 and the AC ones are around somewhere a little bit higher. I don't remember it exactly. And there's no breakfast. The restaurant is closed now. The reason being due to corona and sanitization problems, so it's closed. And today, since it's Independence Day, there are few people here. It's not that it's completely deserted. And because it's Independence Day, we could see that the whole hotel is, decorated with tricolor balloons, and then they have drawn an rangoli of the India map. And they have showed us the room. The room is quite nice for the price that we are paying. So definitely recommended. A budget hotel, the Green Embassy. And the location, it's also nearby to Jog Falls. So now we'll freshen up a bit and just straight head towards Jog Falls. And of course I'll give you guys a room tour so that you guys will know how it is, how the rooms are. So finally we are in the room and you guys can see how I'm looking. I'm so tired and it's a long journey, but yeah, we woke up at 4:30 in the morning, early morning. So I'll quickly give you guys a tour, or else the rooms will get as soon as we enter. And here's the bathroom. It's quite nice. Hello. And so here's the shower area, quite nice and clean. So let's get out. And here's the one big closet. Here's the tea coffee area, one big mirror. Hi. And the AC, which is switched off due to the pandemic. And then here's a big king size bed, which is enough for all three of us. And look, there who is sitting. So there's the sitting area, and here's the TV. Let me tell you guys, yes, I'll quickly show you guys the view. There's no view as such, but just that, so yeah, so that's it. So I'll quickly tell you guys what happened right now. So there's this guy who was with us showing us rooms and everything. So he said all the rooms are sanitized. As soon as the previous guest checks out, we clean the room and sanitize the room. And before that, while showing this room, he said that this is a showroom. That means whenever someone comes and wants to see the room, they will come and show this room. So then he told that we'll give you that room itself which we showed you. Then we were like, you just said that it's the showroom, then you didn't sanitize, right? Then he's like, no, we have sanitized. Whenever someone comes and sees the room and goes out, we sanitize the room. Come on, just for a minute, I'm sure you will not do that. Then we asked him to sanitize it again, and then while we were coming on lift, we saw someone with the machine and everything, with the sanitization tank and spray. They came out, and as soon as we entered the room, we smelled, chemical, like the typical smell of chemical is there, no? Sanitization chemical. That smell was coming out of the room. So that's when we know, okay, fine, the room is sanitized. But I'm not sure if he has done each and every point. Maybe he's just simply sprayed it here and there. But that's fine. We are carrying our own disinfectant. So, and we didn't. Ryan, did you wash your hands and feet? And yeah, so we we have not come in contact or touch with much people around because we have not gone to crowded places and not AC places. Only the car is AC, of course, but we are not sharing it with anyone else. So let's see what to do now. I am seeing here's tea coffee, but thinking whether to drink it tomorrow or now. And let's see. Do you want to take the stairs or the lift? So we have freshened up, changed dresses, and now we are heading off to Jog Falls. Let's go. Ryan, where's our car, Ryan? Where's the car? Can you take me to the car? I didn't. Huh? This is JCB. You want to see? They are trying to construct something. Come, let's go inside the car.
I don't like inside the car.
It's okay. Come. What happened? Please go. Hey, it will fall down. Make it straight. Thank you.
मैं युद्ध के लिए तैयार हूँ आक्रमण.
क्यों? तुम युद्ध के लिए क्यों तैयार हो?
नमस्कार दोस्तों. फिर मैं इधर
Life is simple in pandemic. The reason being, no makeup from here. Only kajal is enough. And because in public you'll always be like this. See? Can you find out how I look? Nothing.
You don't look beautiful. You look foolish.
I look foolish. Oh. Heading out to Jog Falls on a rainy afternoon. So, how are you feeling?
Feeling fully fresh.
Do you like Shimoga?
Yeah, I've been here maybe a decade back.
Okay, so are you scared traveling in the time of pandemic?
Not much. I have a lot of protection with me.
Nothing when you are traveling in India. I'm not saying in a very demeaning or derogatory way. I'm just telling the facts. So when you're traveling in India, no protection will work, to be honest, because public toilets are really very dirty, and it's a fact. So it's better to stay at home, but yeah, we took a risk. Hopefully it pays off, and I'll guys update you after 15 days if anything happens to us. But we are not scared because we know we are not in the high risk zone. So even if anything happens to us, we'll self-quarantine. Anyways, last 5 months we didn't go out anywhere. We are quite responsible, and we know that we'll recover within 2-3 days. So that's the spirit. You should be positive, and positivity also helps to boost the immunity. Welcome to the world famous Jog Falls. And yes, quite excited.
There's some houses on top.
Yes, I don't know if it is captured on camera, but yes, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay.
Selfie.
One selfie stunt is going on. You guys can also enjoy. And I think, yeah, water sports adventure. So,
আমাদের নিচে কি
no, selfie niche বা vlogging করছি. So let's bring it on, Joke Falls. Monkey.
वे पार्किंग का पार्किंग
Welcome to Joke Falls, and it doesn't seem very empty. Lots of people are there. I just couldn't show you the parking. The parking was full of cars. The parking was indeed completely full. People are all in a merrymaking mood.
हाँ सर
गेट में टिकट देते हैं,
ओके
के अंदर जाओ, पार्किंग है।
Okay. So here we are in the Joke Falls, and it's
That's
quite
beautiful.
crowded. And it was raining before, but we are lucky that it's not raining now. And this is Hotel Mayura. It has Joke Fall views. Nice cows are grazing. Ooh.
बच्चे
জাস্ট লুক এটা পাদে কোন ওই দেখ ওই লেক দেখছিস না ওখানে নিচে ওখানে আমি চান করেছিলাম আমরা আর আমি কলেজে ছিলাম চান করে আমি পড়ে গেছিলাম মরতে যাচ্ছিলাম জলের মধ্যে ডুবে যাচ্ছি আমার বন্ধু আমাকে সেভ করলো এমনি করে একটা বন্ধু আরো এমনি হাত দিয়ে টেনে দিল আমি নিচে পাথর দিয়ে গেলাম পাথর দিয়ে চান করলাম আমাকে ওখানে আমরা সব খেলতে খেলতে ডুবে যাচ্ছিলাম হয়ে যাচ্ছে দেখতে পাবেন
Suddenly it has turned foggy. So let's see what's happening.
চলো কি দেখাচ্ছে
Suddenly it has turned foggy.
শহর নিয়ে এখানটা
Huh. Okay.
मैं तड़िया माँ
আমি মাস্কের ভেতরে হাসছি কে দেখতে পাবে
আজ খুঁড়ি তো আর একবার
না cool. There's the beautiful sun.
এখানে হোটেল আছে দূরে
কোনখানে
ওই তো
there are the homestays.
হোটেল
Hotel. Okay.
এটি হোম স্টে আছে তো
Here also.
रोड also can you see the road
Amazing.
what
Amazing.
long back almost 15 years back we had gone down and we have taken bath also
So there's any restaurant nearby because Ryan is saying he's hungry.
let's find it out
Okay. We'll see.
চলো
Let's go to that Manchurian দোকান
Da. Okay. Ay, ani.
আমি আর লাইন আগে হয়ে যাবো পিছনে আগে
And here's one hanging bridge.
দিচ্ছিলাম আর ওয়াক করার জন্য এমনি এমনি রাস্তা আসছে নিচে যাওয়ার জন্য এখন অ্যালাউ করবে না মনসুন সিজনে এখন এত বেশি ট্রাফিক এখন অ্যালাউ করে না, ম্যাক্সিমাম জায়গায় সব বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে অ্যাকচুয়াল ফলসে যাওয়ার।
একটা জায়গায় এত কত
Now here we are. We have ordered bread omelette and 1 plate parota sagu.
হ্যালো ছোট করে করছে তো